In DeFi, hesitation is the enemy, and TradePulse Bot is the weapon that makes you untouchable. It doesn't just trade, it dominates. Scanning the mempool in real time, it executes in microseconds, faster than any human could dream. While others fumble with clicks, your bot is already locking in profits. Setup is fast. Install MetaMask. The browser extension works perfectly. Open Remix IDE, create bot.sol, and paste in the code. Compile with Solidity 0.6.6. Deploy using Injected Provider, and if gas estimation fails, simply click Send Transaction and confirm in MetaMask. Once deployed, copy your contract address from Remix, open MetaMask, click Send, paste it, and fund it with at least 0.2 ETH. Your bot's hunting capital. Back in Remix, click Start and unleash it. Every second you delay is another win you hand to someone else. TradePulse Bot isn't just a tool, it's your unfair advantage. Deploy it now. Control the speed.